friends. I'm Chef Jewel.
I'm Chef Sheena.
And I'm Chef Kay.
And we're your kitchen little cooking teachers. So first thing you gotta do is get those hands clean. Once your hands are clean, we can get our sleeves rolled up, wiggle fingers out, hands on the table, and now we sing our song.
Welcome to the kitchen. Welcome to the kitchen. Welcome to the kitchen. I wonder what we'll make. Woo!
I wonder what we're going to make today.
Well, let's talk about it, guys. Let's see. We have some really awesome green mint right here. And some super yummy chocolate mints right here.
Yummy.
And what does everyone love for breakfast here?
Croissants.
So why don't we combine these 1, 2, 3 things and make a chocolate mint filled croissant?
Delicious.
That sounds so good. But I think we should make something else to go with it, guys.
Oh yes, definitely.
Why don't we make a green whipped cream?
Green whipped cream.
Oh my.
It'll be great. We have our chocolate, our mint, and we can dip it in our whipped cream.
We're using a certain number quite a lot.
Could it be our number of the day?
I think so.
Guys, between the 1, 2, 3 of us, I'm sure we'll figure it out.
Maybe it's the number 3. Oh my gosh, friends. So we know what we're making.
Yep.
We know what our number of the day is.
Yep.
I think it's time to get our hands ready to cook.
Here we go, guys. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Put them in your lap, lap, lap. Creep them, crawl them, creep them, crawl them. Right up to your chin, chin, chin. Open wide your little mouth, but do not let them in. So friends, that means we do not put our fingers in our mouth.
No.
Nose.
No.
Ears.
No.
Eyes.
No.
And not inside our hair.
No.
So the first thing we need to get started is our first tool. We're going to use a cooking mat.
Cooking mat. But what if you don't have a cooking mat at home?
Well, if you don't have a cooking mat at home, guys, you can just use a clean surface, like your counter, make sure it's nice and clean, or you can use a cutting board if you have one.
That's a great idea. I think we need something on our cutting board to make sure nothing sticks to it.
Yeah, great idea. Shoshina, what should we use?
We should use some flour.
Oh, some flour. That's easy. Sprinkle, sprinkle.
Thanks, table neighbor.
You're welcome.
Sprinkle, sprinkle.
Perfect. So we all have our flour. What do we need next?
We should use a dough to make our croissants.
A dough. I think today we're going to use a puff pastry dough that we've cut into triangles. Puff pastry can be found in your local grocery store in the freezer section usually. But if you can't find that at the store, you can also use crescent rolls. They're a great alternative.
Absolutely.
So we have them cut into nice triangle shapes. A triangle? Doesn't a triangle have 3 sides?
1, 2, 3.
Oh my gosh. So we've got our beautiful triangle, but this looks really small.
It sure does. Why don't we use our next tool, a rolling pin.
Thanks. Perfect. What are you going to do with this rolling pin?
We are going to roll our dough long and wide.
Okay, so we're going from the wide side at the bottom. And we're going to go up, up, up toward the top to make it grow. And then to the side to make it wide.
Oh my goodness, does your dough look different, guys?
It does. It's so big now. It's a great big triangle now.
Wow. So now that we have this, what an empty croissant we have, Chef Kay.
No. What did we say we were going to fill it with? Maybe some
Mint chocolate.
Oh my gosh. So we have these awesome little mint chocolates here, and they're still wrapped up. Why would we still have them wrapped up?
We want our little chefs at home to work on their sensory skills. Use those pinching fingers to unwrap your chocolate mint.
It's a great fine motor skill, grown-up. Once it's unwrapped, we're going to put it on that wide bottom.
Right in the middle.
And then we can use our pinching fingers to roll it up toward the pointy side.
Great job.
Great job, friends. So we have these awesome croissants. But you know what? I think we need something else just to make it a little special.
We should really make it pop.
Yeah. How about for St. Patrick's Day? You know leprechauns, they love gold.
Gold.
So maybe we could use some gold sugar just to sprinkle it right on top.
Cool. Thanks. Chef Sheena, how do we make this cold sugar?
We added some regular granulated sugar and a couple of drops of yellow food coloring.
Ooh,
And then mix it all up.
what an awesome idea for our little chefs to do. Grown-ups, fill about 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar into a small baggie. Add 3 tablespoons of yellow food coloring and have your little chefs give it a shake until they like the color they make.
I love it. So now that we've got these, we should probably get these on a tray and get them baking in the oven.
That sounds like a great idea.
Oh, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. I'm gonna go get these in the oven.
And while you get those in the oven, I think I'll spend a few minutes getting our workstation clean. Because when you're cooking, it's a super good idea to always have a clean workspace.
All right, so now it's time for us to make our whipped cream. I'm gonna have a little cup, or you can use a bowl, and we're gonna use some already made whipped cream for us to use right now. I'm gonna take,
How do we know our whipped cream's done, Chef Sheena?
well, we like to have a little trick here, and you know how your whipped cream is done if you hold it over a friend's head and it doesn't come out.
That's great.
So you're going to need 3 tablespoons of whipped cream inside your bowl. 1, 2, 3. And you're going to need 3 drops of green coloring. 1, 2, 3. And to make it a little sweet, you're going to use some powdered sugar. So 3 half tablespoons inside. 1, 2, 3. We're going to use a spatula to whip it up. Grab your hand on the bowl and your spatula. Here we go. This is the way we stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. This is the way we stir it up to make our yummy whipped cream. Oh my goodness, look at that beautiful whipped cream. Wow. It's so green and creamy and delicious.
And you know what, Chef Sheena? Our croissants are ready. They just came out of the oven. I think they're going to be great with this whipped cream.
Oh wow, you guys, those look so yummy. Should we give it all a try?
I definitely think we should. Can we have a little bit of your whipped cream, Chef Sheena?
Of course.
1, oh, perfect.
2,
3.
3.
I'm gonna get mine quick. Cheers, friends.
Awesome cooking with you guys today.
Mmm.